Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to embed any kind of design from Canva that you have created to your website on WordPress or on any other site basically. So when you create a design here on Canva, what you need is actually a code which you could add to your WordPress. So now let's open up our WordPress and let's open up all posts and let's edit it a little bit. Now, as you can see, you are now here on the editing page and you're gonna go back here to Canva. You're gonna click share button. Then you're gonna click more right there. And as you can see, there's a lot of options how you can share it, but what you need is actually this embed button. Now you want to click embed. And now, as you can see, you can actually copy this link right there, the HTML code. When you copy it, you go back to your WordPress, you're gonna click this plus sign and you're gonna choose custom HTML, or you're just gonna browse for it if you don't see it. Now you can actually write that HTML code right there. And now when it has been added, when you click on it, you can actually click preview, which lets you do this. You can always delete this option at the bottom right there. And I think it should be now okay. So here it is. Here's your design. So if this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.